Hello guys, nandito na naman po tayo para magbigay ng kaalaman tungkol sa webbing sling. Additional po ito sa mga previous topics natin related to damages ng sling. So isa po ulit ay ang knot. Okay, hindi po siya damage pero bad practices po siya na ginagawa ng ating riggers, especially those who are incompetent in rigging industry. Okay po, ang knot po, ang Tagalog po nito ay yung binuhol or binuhol dahil gusto natin paiksiin yung ating sling, which is po napakadelikado. Ito po yung mga pwede natin tingnan. Ang knot po ay compromising the strength of sling kaagad. Okay? Not allowing all the fibers to contribute to the lifting as designed. Knots may reduce the strength of a sling 50%. Tandaan niyo po yan, 50% of its capacity. What to look for? Not a rather obvious problem as shown below. Okay guys, or as shown above, sorry. Never tie the knot in the sling and never use sling that are knotted. Bakit po? Kasi po yan, pag na-pull po yan masyado, bigla na po yan mag-snap at maputol. Especially po pag mabibigat na po yung ating binubuhat. Maraming salamat guys. Yun po yung short description ng knot damage. If you like the video, please like, share, and comments. Have a safe day.